Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the wasting counter or get the wasting counter to 0 again on your Epson Workforce WF2650. If it is at the time that the WAF, the wasting counter, is at 100%, then that means your sponge inside your printer is a little bit full with ink. But this is not full enough. No. It's not ready for the trash. We can renew that. Dock the computer with your printer by using a USB printer to USB-A cable and connect each other. With inkjet.net, we are able to remove or get the wasting counter WIC clear to 0% again. That means no more replace the printer because the wasting counter, the red error code is on. No way, because we can continue using the printer after we remove the wasting counter. For that, we go to the inkjet.net and choose our language for free download the software. Of course, you have before checked that the Epson is compatible. Then we're going to make the setup process of the inkjet WIC setup exit. After this, we can go to the proc. The proc comes in different languages, for example, English. Let's start the English one. So, then of course, our computer is connected via USB cable with the printer, and so we can now make with the inkjet adjustment program the wasting counter check, and it will like a deep cleaning process. We have to choose out of the drop down list our printer, and then we can begin with the wasting counter information first. We see here my counter is 44.25%. Okay, now if you are at 100% or less, we can reset the wasting counter by using this adjustment program. For this, of course, we will need a key. The key we get by inkjet.net, we have to pay this key. Then we enter the key and we can go to the wasting counter setup, go to 0 again. So we are done now. We should restart the printer now in order to finish the counter reset process. After we are rebooted the printer, we are able to look again the read wasting counter option. And of course, if we are now looking at this counter, we see that it is at 0%. That's cool. And now we can continue using our printer again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!